everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's going on, Wagwan? So before we get into the video, this is actually an old video that I had on my hard drive, but it died on me probably about a year ago now. So I finally got back some videos from it. I will be editing those videos and putting them up. So this is one of the videos then. So this video is based off of me showing you guys how we pack our stuff to send to Jamaica. How we pack our barrel to send to Jamaica. This is not really a detailed video, which I'll be making a detailed one in the future, but yeah, please do enjoy. This is just a video to show you like how we go through the process of just setting up things and stuff like that. In the future, I'll make a more detailed one for you guys and give you some tips and stuff like that, and how to pack your barrel to send to Jamaica. Alright, enjoy.
Oh, welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome, Wagwan. You know, see me there. How is it going? So today I'm gonna make a video showing you guys how I pack a barrel, send it to Jamaica, to ship it off to Jamaica. So I'm gonna make it quick, maybe not do a lot of talking into it, just speed it up to show you how I organize stuff and how I get it done. Sending one big box and a big barrel. Sorry, I'm sick, so yeah, we see how that goes. So I'll show you my area, how it looks. Okay, so this is the area. I already portion out. Me already put aside the stuff that I need. The TV is going. I put the shoes them one side. I put electronic stuff one side. I put like toiletry, like towel and stuff one side, and I put the regular clothes on one side, and I have the food over here on one side. We're gonna use one of these barrel and this box right here, this big box. She have stuff into it already, right? Yeah, so we have that as well. Okay guys, so it's about after 10 now. Trust me, packing thing, I do a lot of things. Say hi, mama.
Oh.
We're gonna show the people how we pack, how we are sending things to Jamaica.
Oh yeah.
So that's the box big, man. If you guys can see it.
There you go.
So,
Oh,
okay.
you want water?
You want water?
Fruit.
You want fruit?
Oh, no, you want. You don't want water? Eh?
You can't come here. Come here, boy.
You sure?
Come up here.
Come up this side.
You want water?
Yeah. You're too swift for me.
I know, it's fast, man. Here's the water.
Okay. You want the water?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so it's about after 10 now, almost 10:30. We still have one more barrel to go right here. We have a bunch of stuff over there. We have a bunch of stuff here still. We're going to the other barrel. And you're doing pretty good. Oh, thank you. Sit there. We're doing pretty good. The method that we use is sheet or clothing, food, clothing at the bottom, then food, and then clothing again, mama, cover it, and then food again, and then clothing again, cover it. So I was right into it, so I couldn't even record, but reach far. Anyway, we finished with one. Not fully 100% finished because it needs to tape up and everything like that. But we have one more right here. This barrel right here, finish with the box. This barrel right here, it needs to finish, so we'll come early in the morning, probably about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and finish that. So that is it. That is it, guys. There's not much we do. We're just kind of late. Make sure so we lay clothes, then we lay food, then we lay clothes again and lay food. And my method is do not roll the clothes them because it's gonna full up too much. So we lay the clothes them. I don't know if you can see that. We lay the clothes them flat, and then we'll lay a next set of clothes flat so you can carry a lot. You can even do that with a suitcase as well. guys, so we're all done packing. So this is how we look. We got a lot of stuff off. So we're gonna put the plastic bag and then we put the cardboard on it and fold it up and tape it just like that. Same way. And this one is full of stuff as well. Sorry. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff off. Just have some towels leave, and that's about it. Then we're done. Alright, come on. So, mama tape up. Press down, press. That's how it looks. We just tape it up, so you don't have to really use barrel if you don't have a nice but good. Put the cardboard on and just tape it up. Look, back off, so you can see it. Stand up beside the box, mama. Let me see how tall the box is. That's how tall it is. Right under your shoulder.
Under my shoulder?
Right under your arm. Okay guys, so we're almost finished. We just have to sign up some paperwork and then we're done. We just have to do some labeling on the box here. Labeling. So I'm going to show you my mom address and stuff, right? But I just have to do some labeling because time I run and they need to get the shipping out by today. And that's about it. Sorry I never put more details into it. Sorry I never come and talk much into it, but I'm tired, I'm sick. A lot of things that we needed to get this over with and out. So later I'm gonna finish this up. Okay guys, so we're done. This is how it looks. Then we have the other barrel here. You know.